Hello everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to cancel POSB credit card. In order to cancel your POSB credit card, you'll first need to visit the official website. So go ahead and open up a web browser to get started. In the URL box, type in posb.com.sg and search. Now you'll end up in the official website for POSB. From the main homepage, in order to cancel your credit card, go ahead and click on the Help and Support option. Under Help and Support, click on Credit Card. Once you get to the Credit Cards tab, expand the option where it says Application and Termination and click on Cancel Card in the menu. You will then be guided through how you can easily cancel your credit card. Follow through the instructions that has been displayed on the screen. In order to cancel your card immediately via DBS DigiBot, simply click on the Cancel Now button at the bottom, and then you will be speaking to the bot on the right hand side of the screen. To proceed with your card cancellation, click on Yes, but before proceeding, make sure that you have settled any outstanding balance on your card. Also redeem any reward points you have accumulated, if applicable. And if you have all of those criteria, click on Yes and proceed with your card cancellation. Select Credit Card in the sub-menu and then click the Authenticate Me option in order to proceed with the card cancellation request. Now be prepared to verify your identity and answering questions about your account and reason for cancellation. Follow through the instructions till the end and you will be able to cancel your credit card for POSB Bank. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.